సిపిఎం జాతీయ ప్రధాన కార్యదర్శిగా సీతారాం యేచూరి మరోసారి ఎన్నికయ్యారు. మొత్తం 17 మందితో సిపిఎం పోల్ బ్యూరోస్ ఏర్పాటు చేశారు. 95 మంది సభ్యులతో కేంద్ర కమిటీ నియామకం జరిగింది. తెలంగాణ నుంచి తమ్మినేని వీరభద్రం, వీరయ్య, నాగయ్యకు అవకాశం దక్కింది.
Decisions we have taken this conference. If there is any single message that should go from this 22nd Congress of the CPIM to all the entire party, rank and file, to the country and particularly to the class enemies, that the CPIM has emerged from this party as a united party that is determined to carry out our revolutionary task of putting forward before the people of India an alternative policy framework against the ruling class's policies, and to mobilize the Indian people to strengthen and sharpen the struggles in order to ensure that these ruling classes are replaced by a ruling class led by the Indian working class and the People's Democratic Revolution, and that shall be our objective. This is in the best traditions of our party. We've had our discussions here in the 22nd Party Congress, adopted our documents with overwhelming majority, and that it is on the basis of our discussions today that we are mounting the challenge to the neoliberal offensive that is being aggressively unleashed by this Modi government and the RSS BJP combined. We are declaring to the whole country and to the world that we will not allow the secular democratic foundations of India to be torn asunder by these communal forces, and India shall remain united, and for that communal offensive that we shall be strongly opposing. We are declaring to the world today that we will uphold the best of the traditions of our parliamentary democracy, defend our institutions, defend our constitutional authorities, which are necessary for us to give us both the rights and the space to mount the people's struggles in order to achieve our objectives. We are also declaring today our unflinching commitment to protect India from becoming a surrogate or a junior partner of US imperialism in the world today, and this is something that the CPIM will continue to obstruct the Indian ruling classes from going ahead with it. On all these objectives, on all these 4 objectives today, the CPIM declares unequivocally that we are embarking on a new course of intensified struggles in the defense of our country and in the interests of our people in order to defend India today, to change India for a better India tomorrow, and that will be the basis on which we will conduct our future activities.